One of the biggest benefits we get from plants is that lovely sense of well-being when we are surrounded by greenery, which is all the more important when we are in our home or office environments. So plants have an amazing ability to soften our indoor spaces and create interest where it is difficult to achieve that with other non-living things. The type of leaf shape, the texture of the leaf, the color of the leaf, all can play into adding more dimension to our indoor spaces. Many indoor plants also have the ability to remove some of the toxins that are generated within our artificial spaces. They tend to absorb those toxins out of the atmosphere and filter it, releasing it back to us, doing it on a minute level, but all throughout the day.